Hi guys and girls, my name is Dan from Geek Chronicles Dark Draw, and today I'm gonna do a quick and dirty clip regarding fixing the Parkside Dremel, or precisely this model, but I guess this fix works for all other models of the Parkside Dremel, because from my understanding there are some variations of this Dremel, but I will explain quickly the problem. You can see this pin here from the shaft locking mechanism. Sometimes it falls out basically from its slot that it's right there on the side, and the consequence of that, you cannot block the shaft and you cannot take out the adapter that you put in, so that's a problem. Now the fix is fairly easy. You take out the screws of the case of the Dremel, gently pry it open. In my case, this mechanism was all apart inside the case, so I have to fish all the parts. Then I put them back together, and now I'm gonna insert them back into their slot. Now the pin is inserted, so as you can see here, it should stay like that, with the spring on the inside of the case, of the green part of the case. The pin should, I guess, be aligned with that hole there on the shaft, and also the button must be placed like that, in this case of this model, but on other models maybe there is another placement. As a quick interesting note, here is a bearing that I guess you can replace, at least on this model, and also here you can see that it's a low-cost tool. They done like, I guess it's really clever in a way. They made like this lever that pushes this button. That's smart in a way. So yeah, now I'm gonna put it back together, and that's the fix basically. If you like the clip, like it. If you didn't like it, I guess dislike it, and leave me in the comment section below what is your opinion on the Parkside tools for hobbies in general, because I'm not a professional by any means. I'm just a hobbyist that likes to tinker, and in my opinion the Parkside tools are just fine for my needs.